Beautiful morning. Look at that. How's that? Hey guys, welcome to Bass Adventures. We have been traveling for the last couple of days. We've been up to the Snowy, so I've got the family with me, and we have been staying in an accommodation. We are moving out of the comforts of warm shelter and hot showers because today we're going camping. Alright, we found a campsite. Pretty awesome. We got here yesterday around 3:30 and by the time we've set up we didn't have time to film, so we waited for the morning. I knew that this morning it's gonna be a beautiful day.
Hello.
There's Martin. We've already seen a lot of kangaroos, a lot of birds. They're just looking at us, I don't know if you can see it. Nice and calm, it's not so windy, still very cold, but we managed to sleep. Behind us there's the accommodation. Today we're just gonna explore the area. We might go to cliff walking trail, I think.
There's also a lookout, I think.
Yeah, and there's the Blowering Dam viewing point. So we're gonna go and see that. Get some fire going there. Here's our messy setup. Oh, there's a big kangaroo with its bum facing us. Yeah. Still very cold even though with that sunshine. So my last bite. That's good. Alright, finally here at the Blowering Dam viewing point. We've got some information here. Yay! This is the whole dam, so we're gonna walk all the way to the end and then walk back. Yeah. There's a kind of tall wall. Can't see really the body of water unless you're quite tall. You barely see the water. On the other hand, this side here, that's a picnic area there. The wall is as tall as you. You probably have to jump to see.
Wow!
What's down here? Oh, you see it's wow.
You can come closer here.
We'll come upstairs. There's the viewing deck.
I haven't seen your beanie. Electric.
Huh? What's
That is electric. That is that thing.
that? Is a bar. It's like beach down there.
Yeah.
It's a shame it's all fenced. Anyway, no, that's nice. After seeing the viewpoint of the dam, we jumped back in the car and drove down to check out the picnic area. We then made our way to the start of the Blowering Cliffs walk. We didn't get very far as we decided to head back to camp while it's still early. I don't know, maybe. Here we spent the rest of the afternoon on this stunning view of the sunset. Okie dokie, I've got the fire going and this is dinner. Tonight's dinner. About to cook roast pork. Yeah. Look, he's upset. Anyway, I better get going, start cooking, because we're losing light. Again, another beautiful morning. It's a bit cloudy today. See the sun behind me there, it's just behind the clouds. And it was another chilly night. Unfortunately, this is our last day. It was an awesome experience camping here. Yeah, he loves it. This is it. Look at that behind me. Alright, I think that's it for us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. That's Past Adventures. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh.